The following message has been transmitted at the request of London Police Department. An unusual situation is happening in the City of London. Local authorities are receiving reports of humans and animals displaying the puppets and plushies of the organs. Authorities are currently looking into this situation and advise local civilians to be vigilant at this time. Stay tuned for more updates as situation develops.
Guys, we have a breaking news right now. The authorities are now receiving reports that the humans, animals and vehicles begins to turn into puppets and plushies. Please, whatever you do, don't go outside for anywhere. Stay your home with your stuff, pets, etc. If you're at the store or anywhere, you are screwed for now. That's okay everyone. Goodbye everybody.
The following message has been transmitted by the National Police Service of London. The advisory has reported that the people is dying because of turning into a puppet and plushie at Sunday the 6th of March 2022 at 2 o'clock at the morning. Please be careful with those puppets. If you see a human turn into a puppet or plushie, call 911. Stay tuned for more information.
This is Sky News serving the London area. Today's news is that everybody in the UK is fully dying for turning into the puppets and plushies. The most dying people is the UK, France, Germany, Poland, Brazil, USA, Canada, and Mexico. There is no